YouTube. It's your boy, LAElsTv. And we back with another video. And today I'm here with Sadon. You already know the vibe. Sadon TV, man. You feel me? Subscribe to my shit. Subscribe to this shit, man. Turn this shit up. What the fuck y'all waiting for, man? You feel me? But today we got 21 District Compressor. Listen, man. I listened to two, I think, 21 District Strongs. And the hood bars was, it was good. I been did that one, so for the ones who was coming, go listen to the hood bars, go check it out. I been did that like a grip ago, like 5-6 months ago. But the other one I listened to, it was buns, you feel me? It wasn't there. So for the ones that commented down below and said, you feel me, it was trash, and they agreed with me, yeah, I appreciate the honesty, because that shit was trash. I did try,
that shit was trash.
I tried to slip it a little, be a little nice. I said like a 7. Reality, what my boy said in the comments, if 5 was average, it was a 3. I'm not going bullshit, no bullshit, maybe a 2. But they weren't rappers yet. That's the thing, they weren't rappers yet, and the biggest group dissed them, 1-4 dissed them. And they just wanted to reply.
Nigga said, "Where's this track?"
Whoever said that's funny as shit too, man.
Yo, chill, nigga.
But before we tune into this video, you already know what to do. Smash that like button like she's your high school sweetheart. Comment some other recommendations that you want to see. Comment how you feel about this reaction at the end. And most importantly, subscribe and ring that bell. Shout out my post notification gang. If you made post notification gang, then suck my dick, man. But we're going to get into this video, man. Let's get it.
Just run aside. Fuck me. You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Oh, shit.
Like, come out. Hey, Tom.
Oh, sorry, y'all. Oh. Sorry, guys. Oh, shit. I know this feeling. It's never good.
Hell yeah, nigga. Never good. Compressor.
Yeah, J-Lex.
This ain't 21 District?
Still with it.
That's a group.
What?
This is
Yeah, nah. Now they're saying, hey look, we need to talk. Yeah, nah. Let's wanna take off the tape and press record. Yeah, nah. Machine on the off, feeling my preference. I'm ups my comp, get presses a compressor. Just squash, rap like I'm up on sweep and they all get washed. Let's wanna take off the tape and press record. Yeah, nah. Machine on the off, feeling my preference. I'm ups my comp, get presses a compressor. Just squash, rap like I'm up on sweep and they all get washed. Let's tryna put us on reels. But how can I complain when the papers, they finally see who's real? I was out with the bros on heels, top put back like Jack and Jill. Now we out here making a comeback, Malik and RG giving them chills. None of these days I don't get feels anymore. When I'm up, then I feel that thrill. Get far when I pop 2 and I observe and a lot. There's a big man drill. I love when a big man squeal. I'm not dollies for any old deals. From God, just got one real when I grab that hottie and move that, insert that. Now they're saying, hey look, we need to talk. Yeah, nah. Let's wanna take off the tape and press record. Yeah, nah. Machine on the off, feeling my preference. I'm ups my comp, get presses a compressor. Just squash, right like I'm up on sweep and they all get washed. She's solid. 21 District game for the ballers. We back on set with the rest. Too much text, but they got no callers. Yeah, like, who's on it? We on it. And I'm there like anyone talk, I'm sorted. And if I'm locked, then I'm floored. Brother, they racist, text me, call it. I'm saying me walk that guy with a flat or double the neck. We got bang for the set, like me. We put valve in the head on J's with J's, got J's on J's. Flash me cash, so I made you chase. Bring his body hard for a needed. And let bleeding, and let pacing, so. Set like me. We put valve in the head on J's with J's. If I'm locked, then I'm floored. Brother, they racist, text me, call it. I'm saying me walk that guy with a flat or double the neck. We got bang for the set, like me. We put valve in the head on J's with J's, got J's on J's. Flash me cash, so I made you chase. Bring his body hard for a needed. And let bleeding, and let pacing, so. Got hard, they fall out. Guns out, backpack with the goods about. Check this bitch when you see my wrist, that flick that shit looking down. Swear I'm Ferguson earning, but if I dirty, I'll clip it 30 and burn him.
I don't like this nigga. He just went off beat crazy, nigga. Like, he started off good, bro.
Alright, hold on.
It's good. trickling down and down, nigga. What the fuck,
Let
bro?
me run it back and check. Let me see.
Bro, peep, bro. As soon as you start rapping, it's like, bro, okay, then watch.
Like I'm up on sweep and look, we need to talk. Yeah, nah. Let's wanna take out the tape and press record. Yeah, nah. Machine on the off beat, my preference of ops, my gun get precious compressor.
Nah, but then again, that was the chorus. So let's see how
No.
it started off.
Let peep the verse. I'm talking about the verse.
Like I'm up on sweep and they all get washed. She's solid. 21 district gang for the ballers. We back on set with the rest. Too much stress, but they got no corners. Yeah, like, who's on it? We on it. And I'm there like anyone talk, I'm sorted. And if I'm locked, then I'll slaughter, brother. They racist text me calling. Come see me walk that guy with a flat or double the leg. We got bang for the set on play. We put fast in the head on J's with J's, got J's on J's. Flash me cash on a made you chase. Bring his body hard for a needed. And let bleeding and let pacing. So, gotta have that fallout. Guns out, backpack with the goods about. Check this bitch when you see my wrist, like flip the shit looking it down. Smell Fergus early. But if I dirty, I'll clip it 30 and burn him. Talk that talk, cause I cop that lock. Little dog say, learn. Still on the field, finna reach my freedom.
Nah, this nigga's tough.
Nah, he's tough, bro. What was he talking about, bro? Let's keep it a buck. He said, da, and just start saying bullshit, rubbish.
I don't know, like, I wasn't really paying
Exactly, that's the point I'm trying to. He didn't catch our attention, nigga. So I'm like, cause nigga, I was bumping.
Is tough and
yeah, nigga, I was bumping the whole time, and then he just started saying bullshit.
The big nigga's tough.
Alright, let's see the next nigga. Let's see.
Check this bitch when you see my wrist, like flip the shit looking it down. Smell Fergus early. But if I dirty, I'll clip it 30 and burn him. Talk that talk, cause I cop.
Is that big nigga A1? Let me know if that's A1, y'all. Cause I heard a song by him with J Lux. That shit with Trump, I think. That shit was fire. Fire.
That lock, little dog say, look.
Still on the field finna reach my freedom. Been running the ball since leaders. How can I say that they out here beefing, but not on the strip and the whole game's creeping? Pull up quick, gang spray, all that shit, gang. Still on the field finna reach my freedom. Been running the ball since leaders. How can I say that they out here beefing, but not on the strip and the whole game's creeping?
Damn, you said y'all not out them niggas.
Y'all not outside.
You saying niggas don't want to ball up, basically.
They beat 4-1, right? 1-4.
I think so. I'm pretty sure, cause I'm pretty sure they do. Let me know in the comments.
So 1-4 not outside?
I be forgetting. No bullshit. At first, since I was reacting to 1-4 a lot, what I was told was 1-4 is like that. They're on that. Blah blah blah.
Mm-hmm.
Then slowly, when I started reacting to the ops like Nasanova, A Honcho, who's like their biggest ops, who get the most, like it's like they get the money in the streets. You feel me? Most money in the streets.
Yeah.
Like they're a big crime family. That's what they're telling me. So when I found that out, when I started reacting to them, niggas started commenting more on my. I started peeping. Niggas would comment to my other subscribers, and they started arguing. Not arguing, but they like debating shit in my comments.
Oh,
like,
yeah.
nah, them niggas is not really on that, nigga. They're the fucking. There was like, A Honcho's crime family bringing the most money. They bringing the most drugs. They're up on 1-4. Blah blah blah. Then they was talking about a situation. They hit me with a situation to how they sent this nigga on a drill for 1-4, and then he ended up going on the drill. He missed on purpose. They booked him and then he snitched.
1-4 nigga snitched?
Yeah.
That's a big that's a big L, I ain't gonna lie.
He went on the drill. They booked him. I mean, he missed on purpose and then they booked him. You feel me? So
that's a big L for them.
Horrible L. Horrible. So, I don't know, man. I don't know, but I don't know. I can't say I don't know if it's true or not because the facts came out, so it's not about that. You feel me? So you feel me? But yeah, let's get back into this song, yo.
Still on the field finna reach my freedom. Been running the ball since leaders. How can I say that they out here beefing, but not on the strip and the whole game's creeping? Pull up quick, gang spray, all that shit, gang, like that clip it, bang, bang. Got beef till I cannot drop, so till I'm done, this shit won't stop. Got soldiers out on roads and we got soldiers up in loft. I'm praying for the day that my whole gang needs when my soldiers get released. Trust when the gang touch down in the opposite zone, that place complete. Got too much pride inside, if they want smoke, consider it done. Got birds in the ACT, don't worry about me, I rip that 6-1 all day. Trust that the tunes get done, in the PM when the past get flung. Out on the road if you wanna get some, black time as a bitch, that's why you lost
Now I'm saying, hey, look, we need a.
Got boys in the ACT, don't worry about me, I rep that 6-1 all day. Trust that the tunes get done in the PM when the packs get flung. Out on the road if you wanna get some black timers a bitch, that's why you lost
Now I'm saying, hey, look, we need to talk. Yeah, nah. When players wanna take out the tape and press record. Yeah, nah. Machine on the up, feeling my preference of ups, my come get precious compressor. Yeah, squash, whack like I'm up on sweep and they all get washed. When sweeping, I'm leaving a mess. Please stop tough and you will get stretched. But how can I take them serious? They look up to cunts to the press. No pressure, run up all day. No emergency, but I raise this stick. Watch all of these cunts give way. Ha ha, ain't no tactics. Only guns in the inner west traffic. Yeah, they got any real big graphic. How about ain't got put on a catfish? Lad, I ride for the gang. Trust them playing the 21 era. And if you take that trip and you wear that wrist, tell mum you'll be back by never. Tell mum you'll be back by never.
You see the latest on him?
Yeah, they're tweaking.
They're bugging, nigga. What the fuck? They're bugging, nigga. That's not funny, nigga. What the fuck? I'm not playing around like that, bro.
Head pop. Niggas is tweaking.
They're bugging, bro. They
Big graphic cover.
Hell no.
hell no, nigga. Fuck no.
Got put on a catfish. Lad, I ride for the gang. Trust them playing the 21 era. And if you take that trip and you wear that wrist, tell mum you'll be back by never. Tell mum you'll be back by.
Bro, is that really your man? Hold on. How many beeps did y'all have
Bro,
on
that's
that
what I'm
nigga?
saying, bro. They're bugging, bro.
Nigga had like 3 beeps.
Bro, he's bugging, bro. What the fuck?
Nigga said, niggas from behind the camera like, rap right now or else. Nigga, like, niggas is tweaking, nigga.
They're bugging.
Niggas is bucking out.
Never saying, hey, look, we need to talk. Yeah, nah. When players wanna take out the tape and press record. Yeah, nah. Machine on the up, feeling my preference of ups, my come get precious a compressor. Cause get squash, whack like I'm up on sweep and they all get washed. Now chicks wanna go for a walk. Yeah, nah. When players wanna take out the tape and press record. Yeah, nah. Machine on the up, feeling my preference of ups, my come get precious a compressor. Cause get squash, whack like I'm up on sweep and they all get washed.
Yeah, nah.
Jay, wake up, boss. Come on, James, get out.
Yo, they drive on the same side we drive, right?
When they go drop down 21 district, don't be dropping no more. And no bullshit. I have no clue if they drive on this. Do y'all drive on the same side as us? What side do y'all drive on, guys?
I know the UK they drive on the opposite side, nigga.
You feel me? So let me know. You drive on the left side, so y'all drive on the right. So y'all drive on the right.
Right.
But 1 through 10, go ahead, rate that song.
I'm gonna give it a calm 7. I'm gonna give it a calm 7, I ain't gonna lie.
7.
Yeah, it was calm because it was that one nigga that fucked it up.
You fucked it
The
up
first-
that bad?
I didn't fuck with it. Like, it kind of just threw me off. The first nigga was tough. The third and fourth nigga was tough.
I'm not gonna lie.
The last nigga was tough, but he wasn't amazing. It was the first and third nigga that really did it though. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm not gonna lie, that shit was valid to me.
I ain't fucking
That
with
shit
that
get a B in my book, you feel me? I gotta give that like 8.2, you feel me? 8.3. That shit was valid, no bullshit. I feel like everyone's part was valid.
8 is crazy.
Except for that. Bro's part was, that shit was a little rocky, no bullshit. But other than that, everyone's other part.
It was a mountain. Nigga.
No. Everyone other's part was valid, nigga.
It was.
The beat valid.
The beat. I like the chorus. The chorus is
valid.
Yeah,
Nigga said
the
get pressed
chorus.
like a compressor. Like, nigga, come on.
Or
nigga.
not. That was tough.
That shit was valid, so I feel like an 8.3 is justified, nigga. I feel like a 7 is way too low.
No, not way too low. Come on, bro. Stop.
The lowest I'd go,
Not way too low.
if I was you, nigga, was like a 7.5, 6.
Bro, no, bro.
You're bugging.
No,
a
bro.
7 is crazy. A flat
bro.
7 is bugging.
Nigga,
Nigga,
if someone said
if you heard the other song, nigga, you really would have. You
Nigga,
really
if
would have
so-
gave it a
look,
3.
if
Bro,
someone- if
I
someone told
promise you, these niggas gonna say you bugging, bro.
Bro, if
7
someone
is crazy.
Bro, if someone had told me this was 6.5, I wouldn't even be mad. I'm like, I understand.
The lowest I'd go personally is an 8, flat 8.
What? Els, you're bugging, bro. Shut up, bro. No funny shit. You're bugging, bro. No bullshit. You're false.
How?
But at 8s, bro, Alright, which one we give it a 7.5? Fuck.
Yes.
7.5.
A 7.5 is the highest. No, not the highest. Cause some people, you feel me, might actually fuck with that shit.
Bro, that shit was heat, nigga.
Nah, not heat. It was alright. It was good. It was good music. Like, if you play this shit in the V, I wouldn't tell you to turn it off, but that's not some shit I'm gonna be playing, nigga. You feel me? Like, the first shit that we played, nigga, come on, bro. That shit got us hype, all that shit, bro.
Nah, that shit was lit. But I would drop that other video first anyway, so that video is gonna be Docs and non-layers. But man, I appreciate y'all for always tuning in. Don't forget to smash that like button like she's a whore. Don't forget to comment some. Why you look like that? Don't forget to comment some recommendations. Comment some reactions. Comment how you feel about this reaction. Most importantly, nigga, you better subscribe, ring that bell. Shout out Post Notification Gang. If you ain't part of Post Notification Gang, bitch, you ain't gang, nigga. But man, listen, it's your boy LA. LAElsTv. Yeah, good night.
You ain't talking money, then there's nothing to jewel it out. You ain't talking money, then there's nothing else to talk about. Like a wide receiver, you can cover me, take a different route. Yeah, my money longer, yeah, like I'm Lil Uzi. Met that bitch last night, she see my chain, she turned right to a groupie. Took her back to the crib, I ain't a director, but we made a movie. Too much money can't fit in my purple jeans.